Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your XDC tokens from Revolut to Coinbase. XDC, or XINFIN's digital currency, is a popular choice for fast transactions, and transferring it between platforms is straightforward once you know the steps. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this with confidence and minimal hassle. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need an active Revolut account with XDC in your balance, a verified Coinbase account, and two-factor authentication enabled on both for extra security. This will help protect your assets from any potential risks. Okay, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Revolut app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your crypto section and select your XDC wallet. You'll see your balance there. Double-check that you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees. Step 2. Look for the withdrawal or transfer option. It might be labeled as Send or Withdraw. Tap on that. Now, you'll need to enter the destination address. Head over to your Coinbase account, go to your XDC wallet, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Paste that address into the Revolut withdrawal form. Step 3. Specify the amount of XDC you want to withdraw. Be mindful of network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. In 2025, aim to withdraw a bit more than you need to cover those. Review all the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve this through your Authenticator app. Step 4. Sit back and wait. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your transaction status in Revolut. Once it's confirmed, hop over to Coinbase and refresh your wallet. Your XDC should appear shortly. If you run into any issues, like delayed transfers, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Revolut to Coinbase. Remember, always stay vigilant with your crypto. Double-check addresses and keep your accounts secure. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.